Big cat.
Ikaw the big cat. Ikaw the big cat.
Monkey, what do you think, Monkey? She goes around. So we brought her a water fountain. Monkey, come here. You have her bowl? Monkey, come here. Come here. Eat. Monkey. Here. Come on. Come on. Monkey. Monkey. Come on. Your snacks. Don't go upstairs. She wants to go upstairs. Monkey. Here. No?
I'm going to fry with corn.
Oh, yes. Yes. It's Sam's favorite, the corn.
Veggie, tomato.
What is this one again?
This is kebab.
Kebab, and then chicken, and then how about this one?
This one,
a sausage or something?
yeah, sausage.
Sausage?
This, yeah, but halal.
Halal. Yeah. Good. Thank you, Iman. It's very delicious. As always.
I'm sorry, my food is very fast. I don't know the lighters. Maybe I need to put more chalks.
Yeah, charcoal.
Yeah.
Okay.
And could I get the big breakfast with hotcakes, and that would be it?
Alright, it's gonna be $11.85. Thank you.
Thank you.
You got everything? Namit frappe.
So delicious. The best one I ever had.
Really?
Yeah, taste it.
We went? Oh, I think so. Yeah, maybe.
Right off there.
And then, tingnan natin guys. Meron silang food court here, Dunkin' Donuts, Baskin Robbins, Sbarro. It's not. Oh, so Burger King, Dunkin'. It's very big here. Pero we're going to the restroom first. Kasi ihing-ihi na din ako, guys. And you too, mana?
So guys, every time we travel, it always rains. It's always horrible weather, like raining, always raining. Anytime in the past 4 years we go on a road trip, there's always rain, always bad driving conditions.
So this is our lunch, guys, because it's already 2:31 na. So I got big bite. Ayan. Tapos kay Sam, dalawang 2 slices of pizza. And he's eating it already. And then, I got 1 pork egg roll. Isa lang. Pero ang laki na niya. Tapos, bumili din si Sam ng Coke for our drinks. And ito yung, and for our dessert, yung donut holes. So, yan lang guys. Kasi wala na kaming mahanap na malapit na fast food. So, mabuti na lang nakita namin yung 7-Eleven.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild.
It's scenic.
Yes, beautiful. We're finally here na guys. And nandito kami, malapit na sa aming hotel, Hyatt House. And then, it's already 5:55. It was a very long drive. 10 hours drive. But, we survived guys. So, let's go. Kunin na namin yung mga gamit. Oh my gosh, my thing. So, ito yung maleta namin. And then, she's carrying the other stuff. And this is our hotel, Hyatt House. Super maganda. Wait lang. And then, yung steam iron ko dinala din namin. We're finally here na guys sa aming room. And this is a suite. Meron silang pa-kitchen. Pwede na kaming tumira dito ni Sam kasi kompleto sa gamit guys. Meron silang fridge, 'di ba? Ang laki ng fridge, guys, 'di ba? Kung hindi sweet yung kukunin mo is super liit lang na fridge yung available. Tapos meron silang, 'di ba? Pwede ka dito magluto. Meron silang range hood. Tapos meron ding dishwasher, coffee maker, tapos microwave. And then kompleto sila sa gamit, guys. Parang Airbnb na. Kasi, ito, tingnan nyo, may mga cups na, mugs, glasses. Tapos, may sink pa kami dito. Diba? Pwede na ako makapaghugas ng pinggan. And then, tingnan natin yung mga drawer. Fake na pala yan. Tapos, nandito yung trash can. And then, we have yung mga utensils. Diba? Kompleto. Kutsara, tinidor, bread knife. Tapos, may mga kutsilyo. And then, let's see. Wala, kompleto. Pwede ka nang magluto na dito, guys. Kasi kompleto talaga sila sa gamit. Oh my gosh! They have pots and pans here too, madam. Yeah. It's complete. Tapos, meron silang, ayan, mga plates, bowls, and then, mga containers. Tapos, may measuring cup pa doon. Wow! So, I'm so happy, guys, kasi first time ko lang na first time namin mag-book ng ganito, na parang bahay talaga siya. Tapos, tingnan natin dito. We have parang storage room, or we can put our coats here, our clothes, whatever. Tapos, meron dyan table, parang office chair, and this is our parang living area. Kasi may malaking sofa. Tapos, ayan. We have our mirror here. So, yan pala yung outfit ko, guys. Ito lang yung sinuot ko para, komfortable lang while, nag-road trip. Kasi 10 hours yung biyahe from Michigan to here, Richmond, Virginia. That's why dapat komfortable lang talaga yung sinusuot ko para, para chill-chill lang while driving. Meron ding TV. Ayan, and ito yung view namin. So, and by the way guys, malapit lang kami sa mga malls. I mean, sa mga businesses. Like Dillard's, yung Dillard's na yan, mall yan guys. So, can't wait na, you know, tingin-tingin sa labas. And this is our room. Hello, my love. Where's
Hello,
the...
guys, welcome to my crib.
Welcome to my... I remember you said that too, madam, in Florida.
Is it?
Yeah, you said that too. And then, let's turn on the light. Oh, where's the light? But, and then, you have another big window here, guys. Ang laki. Tapos, ayan, yan yung view namin. Diba? Maraming mga nakapark dyan kasi may...
Iloilo vibe.
Ay, Iloilo ba? Kasi nung nasa Iloilo kami guys, tapos nasa, was it Park Inn Hotel?
Yeah, Park Inn, Iloilo.
Yeah, sa Park Inn, tapos same view din, na meron kami view na ganito, na nasa parking lot yung view, tapos yung SM Mall na, kasi diba sa Park Inn, tapos may SM Mall, so yun yung view namin. And then this time, you have the Dillard's na view, tapos meron doong hot pot barbecue. Ewan ko lang kung makita nyo. So, ayan, hot pot barbecue yan. Tapos, there, Dillard's yan, guys. Ayan. Ayan, Dillard's yan. Tapos,
Tomorrow, they have Cracker Barrel and Cheesecake Factory.
Really?
Yeah.
Remember, you want to try the Cheesecake Factory
I
one?
want to try both. Cracker
Both?
Barrel.
Then we should try it both then.
Did we try Cracker Barrel?
No. Nope. I'll just turn on the light, guys, para
Kasi,
kitang-kita talaga.
what did you
My
say,
poor
kasi?
love. And then tomorrow, he's gonna drive another 2 hours.
And then 2 hours
And
back.
then 2 hours back again. And then 2 hours again going there. And then 2 hours back again.
And then, no, it's 3 hours.
3
On
hours?
Saturday, because we're going to Virginia. No, you're right. 2 hours back. And then, like, Virginia Beach, driving there.
How far?
I don't know, let me see. Virginia Beach is 2 hours there too.
Oh my god. My poor baby. So, and then I will show you guys yung bathroom. Tapos, so, ito, meron kaming sink. And we have another mirror here. Tapos, may mga towels, trash can, mga tissue box, extra tissue, tapos may blower dryer. Tapos, may malaking closet here. Wow! So, ayan. So, dito ko ilalagay yung mga damit namin ni Sam, or yung shoes, or yung luggage namin. Dito ko itatago. And also, ito yung bathroom. You have shower. Let's see. Natin yung shower. Ayan. So, simple lang siya, guys. And then, meron na siyang include na shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Secured talaga siya, guys. Hindi mo pwedeng kunin or dalhin sa bahay. So, magdi-dinner kami later ni Sam. Either at Cheesecake Factory or
something else.
Or something else. So, we'll see. Anyway, the time is already 6:50 na, guys. And soon, magdi-dinner na kami. And then rest.